So in today's sessions, we will complete all slider part, including left hand slide. So in slider, we have three range of slider. One is essential range, second is premium range, and third is luxury range. So we will start from essential range. So in ETESD, maximum weight for single panel you can consider 1000 and maximum height you can consider 2400. So total width is 2000 for two panel. Height we can consider 2400. System is ETESD sliding. So in this series, only two thickness glass is visible. One is 5 mm, second is 6 mm. And this is height for door. So I will make this window in door. Once I make this in door, your door is ready. So like if I'm selecting in the outer frame, so there is two kinds of outer frame in die track. Uh, So this is different for window. Like if your window is like if I'm selecting this one interlock, this one outer frame. So it's showing if the your window is more than 1200, then you can go with this outer frame. So I will put here window is 1500. Like if your wind load is less than 1200, so you can go with second or first one outer frame. Also, if for this height, like if you have requirement mesh, so you have to select here 3 track, and for this outer frame you have to reduce wind load 1000. For mesh, go to the fly screen, none, and select here full. So there is one error which is showing for interlock. So I will just select on the slider interlock sash. Once you change your interlock, so due to reinforced interlock, mesh panel is not visible. So I will just change the interlock from the interlock part. Once you change your interlock, your door is ready. Also, there is some color for hardware, like if you want to change handle color black and white, you can uh, check anyone from these options. Same in accessories color. Rest only single point feasible. So by default, locking is only single point available. Handle you can change from the handle sections. So these are options for the handle. You can select anyone from the handle part. Resting is okay. You can save this door by clicking OK. So there is one more thing in this series, like if you have a window height, so you can provide mesh in half track. So I will show you how you can provide mesh in half track. System is ETESD sliding. So I will just change the outer frame in 2.5 track. So there is one error showing for interlock. I will change interlock from. So how you can provide mesh in half track for window. So this is all about ETESD. Is there any doubt in ETESD?
Ravi, can you explain how you were able to identify if the changes you made were for a 2.5 track? Like those. Is there a legend or something somewhere from where you can identify which
No,
references?
so everything depends on if the interlock is not wrong selected, it's automated showing the error. Like ET, I will show you.
Sure.
Like if I change interlock first one, so here it's showing a one error. Select slider interlock answer with ET double one triple nine. So you can just check double one triple nine. So these two are double one triple nine. So I will select this one options. The error will auto remove.
Understood.
Also, if you means there is some catalog, if you study or read that, so you can better to understand
Got it.
by catalog.
Got it. Got it. And if you have to change the glass thickness here, where would you change it?
Only two glass thickness available here, na?
Yeah, if you have to make it 5 mm, how would you change it?
So just click on the glass options. So there is one pop-up will come.
Got it.
This one for glass. You can scroll anyone from it.
Got it. Got it. Thanks.
So our next series is ETSD Pro. So before ETSD Pro, there is one more series which is comes under essential range and is equal to ETSD. So there is. So I will show you how to make window in Essential Plus. So like for that, I will just click on the again headline non-door options. So in this series, the price will come equal to ETSD. So like this is W2. Other weight limitation is same, which is equal to ETSD. So width is for single panel maximum width you can consider 1000 and maximum height you can consider 2400. And system is Essential Plus. So there is one advantage you can add 5 mm, 6 mm, and 8 mm glass. So I will change glass from glass part. So there is one error showing for invalid lock sash. So this is slider lock sash. I will click here and change it 12977. Once I am changed, your door is ready. So like if you want to add mesh here, you can click on outer frame, make it 3 track. Uh, then in fly screen, make it full. In this series, the locking point will come at the interlock part. In ETSD, the handle will come on the side part of the panel, means left and right side one part. But in Essential Plus, the lock will come on the interlock part. And also in this series, multi-point is also available. So if you will change in locking type, so there is two types, single point and multi-point. So you can change it into multi-point. Also, center opening is currently not feasible in this series. So if you have required center opening, so you have to go with ETSD. For rest other typology you can consider in this series. So this is all about essential plus. Is anyone have any doubt in essential plus?
Yeah, a quick confirmation. So basically, slider, you said there's no center opening. So if you, I mean, in plus slider, if you want a center opening, you can go for an essential slider or a pro slider, is it? In this range?
No, so you can go with ETSD and ETSD Pro. You can
Okay,
go with
okay.
anyone.
Plus is just a
Actually,
center. Yeah.
profile is not developed currently in Essential Plus,
Okay.
so we don't have any options for
Okay.
center opening.
Got it. Got it.
So our
Raviji, what
next,
are the fixed part? Hello.
uh-huh.
Raviji, what are the fixed part of slider limitations in Essential Plus series?
In Essential is same means 1000, but
Okay.
it in ETSD Pro you can
No,
increase. Like
1000
I
mm is
mentioned,
for sliding sash or for fixed part sash.
for fixed for both, sir.
Okay, so we cannot give more than 2000 size in
No.
Essential Plus series.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
So our next series is ETSD Pro. So ETSD Pro maximum panel width you can consider 12
20.
mm, 1200 mm for slider part, and for
2700.
fixed part you can increase to 1500 mm.
This was not specified.
And height maximum you can consider 2700. System is essential. ETSD Pro. So maximum width you can consider 3000, or movable panel you can consider 1200 maximum, and fixed panel you can consider 1800. Maximum height in ETSD Pro you can consider 2700. So there is two error, one for lock sash, second for ruler. So I will change lock sash from here. I have to select a reinforced lock sash. Second, one more error, which is for ruler. So I will change ruler 120 kg. So once you change this, your door is ready. Also, you can consider multi-point and single point. Both locking is available in this series. Like if you have requirement mesh here, you can change it into 3.5 track. Click on the fly screen. First, you have to change interlock. So interlock like 31.5 plus, yeah, or you can select this 31.5 plus 111.5 SG. SG for single glass, DG for DG glass. I will make this full. So once you make this, your mesh is applied here. Also, the maximum glass thickness you can consider in 20 mm, in 5 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm, 12 mm, and 20 mm. 10 mm is not feasible in this series. Like if you want to apply Georgian war here, so same you have to select grid wizard, and like if you want to reduce number of grid vertical and horizontal, so select number of grid. Like I have required uh, three numbers in horizontal, so I will put here four, and vertical I have required one, so I will put here two, then okay. So now your Georgian bar applied here. So like if you want to make any L window means right is fixed and left is slider. So how you can make with in window maker, like total width is 2400, height is 2700, this 2700 or 3000. So in system, I will just select ETSD Pro. So for making any fix uh, in the slider, first I will have to make this design totally fixed. So for making fix, I will just click on the paint type and this is fix. And then I will divide this window by using coupler. Like fixed part is 1000 and left one is slider. So I will just click on the combine, then door, and I will make this window as both side movable. So this is how you can make a corner window in slider with coupler. So coupler part means MS coupler part is not added in window maker. Only aluminum price is added. So if in coupling there is aluminum, then it is added in window maker. But if it here showing MS structure, so price is not added. You have to take 10,000 for 12 feet additional price for the MS structure.
Raviji,
Mm-hmm.
if we take MS coupler, will the coupler be in the same finish as the window?
No, it for that you have to connect with production team. He and she can better guide you.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Uh, Amriji or his team. Huh?
Okay, okay.
So also once you making any slider window, please check the interlock part because the price depend on your selections of interlock. Like if I'm selecting 31.5 plus 96.5, the price will reduce of the window or door. So like if I'm selecting this one interlock, so price will reduce 761. So once you making the any window, please check the interlock selection. So So this is all about ETSD Pro. Is anyone have any doubt in ETSD Pro?
Yeah, just checking. So the for the sliding sashes and for the fixed sash, will the Georgian bar alignment be a given from the factory because it's part of one design, or will that have to be specified specifically to the production team so that the Georgian bars get aligned in the fixed and the sliding one?
Yes, because it is stuck from outside. So in during the installation, you can change the design of the Georgian bar.
Okay, this is a surface Georgian bar. Okay,
Uh,
got it, got it. Okay,
but if come with inside Georgian bar, so it will whatever the visibility, it will come with that.
got it, got
Or
it,
you can connect with the production team if you have required any unique design. So you have to specific mention there during production,
got it.
because in window maker only vertical and horizontal Georgian bar will reflecting.
Understood, understood.
Okay, sir.
Got it,
Hmm.
got it. Yes.
So like our next series is ETP SD, which is comes under premium range. So for ETP SD, we will again click on add line known door options. So this door and window comes under duranium material, and maximum width for single panel you can consider 1500. For fixed part you can consider 2000. Like if your width is 3500 and height is 3600, maximum height you can consider in this series is 12 feet. But for this height, mesh is not feasible. Mesh is only feasible for 3 meter. So like my system is ETP sliding. Also in this series, maximum glass thickness you can consider 26 mm. So like my movable panel is 1500 and fixed one is 2000. I will change the interlock to 120 plus 120 new. Also, I will make this door in door options. So there is one error, one showing for lock sash, second for roller. So interlock for this side, interlock should be 120 plus 120. Lock sash should be 85981 and roller should be 200 kg. Once you make change these, your door is ready. You can remove Georgian bar if not required. So like if you have required mesh on this side, so you have to make with 2100. Outer frame make it 3 track. Mm, Slider interlock make it 34 plus 120. Lock church.
Raviji, how are you able to put 3600 sash height? Limitation is 3500, right?
Uh, no, you can go with 3600.
Okay.
So like if you want to provide mesh for this side
That's not possible.
in ECPSD, so there is only solution. Your width should be 2100 and interlock should be selected 120 plus 120. Lock size should be selected 85981 and fly screen should be full. Then your then this is the only solution you can provide mesh for this side. Otherwise, you have to reduce the height of the slider part, so you can provide with any width. Like if I make this 3000, you can provide. So this is all about ETPSD. Did anyone have any doubt in ETPSD? So like if not, so am moving forward for next series like ETLLS, left and slide. So for left hand slide, I will just click on the headline non-door options. So in left hand slide, maximum panel width you can consider 2000 and maximum height you can consider 3500. So I will put here total width is 4000 and maximum height is 4500, 3500. System is ETLFS, ETLLS left hand slide. And maximum glass thickness you can provide in this series is 32 mm. So this is your left hand slide. Like if you want to provide in this series with three track, support three track. So three track with come with reinforced profile. So only one side is handle feasible on interlock part. So in this series, only single point handle will come. Means one side will come with reinforced pile, other side will come with handle. So due to that, the earlier error was showing. Once you will change the interlock, the uh, error will remove from here. So this is all about lift and slide. So I will save this. Is anyone have any doubt in lift and slide?
Ravi, on the second, this one, right, the central sash, on the top left hand side, there is
Hmm.
a black, mark. What does that mean?
So actually the positions of handle will change, but
Okay, okay.
this is only for we means due to some glitch in window maker. That's why
Okay, okay. So that's
the
the handle.
positions of
That's the handle, is it? Okay.
in production it will come okay. Yeah?
Got it. Understood, understood.
Mm. I will save this left hand slide. So here all slider series is completed here, including luxury. Like left hand slide comes under luxury series. Um, one more things was rest, that is a railing. How you can make quotations of railing in window maker. So for that, again click add line known door options. So in railing, maximum width you can consider anything, but in window maker, due to some window maker glitch, you can consider maximum width in single time is 9999, 9999, or maximum height of the uh, railing you can consider 1000, and system is ATEFR railing. So in railing only we have two glass is feasible. One is 6 plus 1.52 plus 8, and second is 8 plus 1.52 plus 8. So means 15 mm and 17 mm. Only these two glass is feasible for railing. So for glass I will change. So I will take here 8 plus 1.52 plus 8. Once you change the glass, there is one error showing. Please provide G to G joint in glass. Select transom option from features. So maximum glass means glass joint you can provide 3000. So for the glass joint, I have to select divide this glass by selecting feature options and divide this glass by using mullion. Once the glass joint comes equals to or less than 3000, your railing will get ready. So and this is your railing. So like if there is some kinds of L railing or continuous railing. So you can select both side wall, one side wall, or no wall. So for that, you can select from the railing corner options. So you can select one side wall, no side wall, one side wall, or both side wall. So you can select anyone from here. By default, it comes with no side wall. So it's up to you. So this is all about railing quotations. Also, like if you want to provide aluminium at the top railing, you can add. If you want to remove, you can remove from the top rail frame. So like if you have requirement, so you can select with top frame, and if you don't have requirement, select here without top frame. So the outer part will remove. So this is all about railing. Anyone have any doubt in railing?
How do we specify which side has the fix? You said one side fix, right, in the railing. So can we specify from the inner view, let's say if it's right or left? How do we specify a different side on the wall?
Like wall. So in survey team only can mention na ki
Got it.
what kinds of railing is means one side wall or one side continuous.
Correct, correct. And how do we specify if it's on the right side wall or the left side wall, or that has to be put in the production note?
No need to specify. Na it will come with same left and right.
Got it.
You just only mention ki there is one side wall
Okay,
and one side continuous.
understood.
So like now how can process the production document. So for the process the production document, we have to do some change in our quotations. Like once your quotation is done, just make it okay. So currently this quotation is sales quote live stage. Once you download the quotation stage will change. Like if I download this quotations, so the quotation will saves in Hindalco server. So I will save this quotations by.
Sir, in railing only security glass will come.
Only security glass will come in railing.
And the
Only
minimum
two glass
combination of
thickness
security
is
glass.
sorry.
And the minimum combination for security glass in railing.
Only two glass thickness is feasible. One is 15.5 and second is 17.5. Means 18 mm means 16 mm.
कुछ ऐसा नहीं कर और जो इसका टॉप आता है उसका भी एक ही ऑप्शन है क्या वो उसका उसकी क्या डायमेंशन है टॉप की
टॉप का सर कैटलॉग चेक करना पड़ेगा एक बार.
उसमें भी शायद एक ही ऑप्शन है ना
एक ही ऑप्शन है अभी.
पानी है यादव जी। पानी से मैं ज्वाइन हो गया क्या मनीष? ज्वाइन हुआ क्या मैं?
So this is your quotation.
Ravi, while we are waiting for the reconnection, for Arch also, Arch is possible in all the, the essentials, luxury, as well as premium, is it?
Arch is possible in all system, but for Arch you have to make quotation in 14C, and the quotations we have to you have to make separately
What is 14C?
in single time. Like if 14C is means encasement, there is some
Okay,
type, one typology 14C.
got
Earlier
it.
we are using 14C, but now we have discontinued 14C
Okay,
for casement, door, and windows. So, but currently for Arch, we are only using 14C because the profile of the 14C easy to bend.
got it, got it. And for bay windows, is it possible in all the three essentials, premium, and luxury?
For bay window you can only provide 90-degree bay window. Like 45-degree and 135-degree is not feasible.
Okay, okay, got it.
So like once you download the quotations will remove from sales quote live stage. It will reflect in sales quote on stop stage. Like if you have sent the cost quotation to customer after downloading, so like customer tell you ki like I have required some change in your quotation, so make click on write and make it new revision. Once you make it no new revision, it will again comes on sales quote live stage, and you can change whatever the customer required. Once quotation is revised, the customer again start reflecting in sales quote live stage. Now, how to process the quotation for production document? For that, we just click on the progress, then quotation sent. So I will show you from starting how to process the production document. So first, go to the progress and quotation sent stage. Once quotation is downloaded, the quotation start reflecting in sales code on stop stage. Mark quotation code complete. Again, it is disappear from on stop stage and start again reflecting in sales code live stage. Mark provisional order received. Next, verify the order. Next is material booking. Next, now the quotation start reflecting in sales quote live stage. Now mark quotation provisional or accepted. Mark quotation survey schedule. Mark quotation under survey. Once the quotations comes under survey, you can download survey sheet from this stage. So for that, I will just refresh this quotation and click on the report options, then Eternia. So currently it's not showing here. I will just restart the window maker. Now you can download survey sheet from report. So I will show you how your survey sheet reflecting. So this is how your survey sheet reflecting. Now, once you survey sheet download and surveyor check the correct direction. Mark window, record survey size, and untick this and click on save and calculate. So this is the last stage that you have to do. Once this done, you can ask production document or mail to our tech ops team for uh, productions your window and door. So this is all about today's session. If anyone have any doubt, you can ask me or I will put my contact number in chat box. You can directly contact me if have any doubt regarding window maker or any door window. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Ravi ji.